What about your parents?
Okay, got one. We talked about the 4 types of play, and
yes.
you really like that.
Love that.
So it really caught my eye when I was reading, because you know I do this at like 4 in the morning and drive everyone nuts. But I was reading about a study on play that was just published in the academic journal Cell, which, if you're into that, it's a big deal.
Okay.
But it involved tickling rats. And when I saw that, I'm like, I've got to tell Emily about this. It's just fun to think about tickling rats, but it actually had some profound implications for the rest of us. So real quick, the researchers hooked up to brain activity detectors. They donned gloves and they started tickling rats. And one graduate student in the study actually explained that rats vocalize when tickled, and kind of like we laugh. I mean, isn't that funny? But what they played, because they started chasing the researchers' hands, so they were playing being tickled. So anyway, this, just like we would a little child, right? Yeah. So anyway, the scientists located the region of the brain that shows significant activity when this is happening for the rats. And the region is called, and I'm sure someone will correct my butchered pronunciation, para-aqueductal gray. We'll call it PAG. Yeah. P-A-G is how they refer to it. And it's involved in the other things that happen in that part of the brain are instinctual behaviors like pain perception or defense mechanisms. And when researchers blocked those cells, the animals, when they were tickled, stopped playing. So it's very important and interesting that it's the instinctual part of the brain, which is telling us who work in play something we already kind of know, which is play is instinctual. And the reason it is because it's how young entities learn, young humans, young bears. Even rats. Now, I'm going to give you a cliffhanger because you liked that the last time. Next time, we're going to talk about a non-mammal that has just been found to play.
Okay.